Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to work on this little stool I thrifted for $5. It was in very strong, sturdy shape. I couldn't pass it up. I had already poured the resin molds, and this is Prima Marketing, the redesign mold called Sorrento Laurels. And as you can see, I'm just using my Tight Bond Quick and Thick. And I'm going to apply it and then tape it down to hold it in place while it dries. Now, I did this on these two legs and then flipped it over and did it on the back two legs. I didn't do it on two sides because I held it up there and it just looked like it was too busy, it was too much. So I did two on this side, flipped it over, did two on the other side. While the resin castings are drying, I'm going to take Fusion paint in the color Champness, and I'm going to start working on the underside of the seat and get one coat on it. Now that the resin castings are dried, I'm going to start painting the legs of the stool in Fusion's color called Casement. I just want to add in here that this fusion paint is my first time trying it, and I bought 3 little samples to try it out. I bought the casement, champness, and French eggshell, which I'll use that color in another project. I ended up putting 2 coats of white. Now here I want to apologize for the camera. As you can see to the left of the screen there, part of my tripod was in the view. But I was so worried about having the right camera angle. My studio is not set up to film larger items. I need to figure out a better space for that. But I think you get the picture here, and I do apologize for that. Here I'm just giving the top of the chair 2 good coats, and that is the color Champness. Okay, I let it sit for a couple of hours and dry real good. Then I took it outside to sand it. As you can see in this picture, those 2 spots on the edge, the sander went a little crazy, or I did. But that looks like 2 eyeballs looking back at me, and I thought that has to go. So I do end up repainting around the edge. Now here I'm using IOD transfers, the Saint Germain, and I went through and picked out what I thought would look good. And I thought this is such a beautiful transfer. I love it. So I'm flipping through, finding the second one. There it is. And I'm going to add those to it. And then I wanted to add a pretty little butterfly. Now I'm going to be taking Waverly Antiquing Wax, and I'll give the whole stool a good coat, and I'll use a wet wipe and a little paper towel and wipe back as much as I want till I'm happy with what it looks like. Okay, next I'm taking Paint Couture Luxe Metallic Paint in the color bronze, and I'm going to give all 4 of my castings 2 coats. Okay, next I'm going to be taking Rub and Buff in the color Gold Leaf, and I'm just going to use my finger and go over the castings and give them a little bit of highlight with the Gold Leaf. I just want to add that on part of this that was not filmed, on the seat there you see the 2 spots that were sanded too much. I went back and repainted those. And also I added some of the blue into the castings to kind of make them pop a little more. Once again, I want to thank everybody for being here. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Please like and comment. Ask me any questions. I'll try to answer. This was a fun project. A $5 stool thrifted and turned into a treasure. Thank you, everyone.